Hello friends, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the proof of your language skills for your Canada citizenship application. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened the official application page for Canadian citizenship on IRCC site. So under the eligibility section you can see they have a link, prove your language skills. Let's click on it. So the requirement is like if you are between 18 to 54 years of age, then you have to provide the evidence that you can communicate in either of Canada's official languages with CLB 4 or higher. Alright, so they accept, IRCC accept certificate I'm sorry, certificates, diplomas and tests as proof of language skills. So let's click on it, what they accept. So the first thing they have asked, did you or do you attend a secondary or post-secondary program in English or French? This could be in and outside Canada. If you did, send a copy of the proof that you completed. Proof can be your diploma, transcript, certificate, and it must be either in English or French. If it is not in English or French, you need to submit a certified translation that we have seen in almost all kinds of application. And the translation should also show that the language of instructional program was English or French, so it has to be proved. Suppose you haven't, then click on this. Now it is asking that when you applied for permanent residence, did you use that language test? So suppose if you have applied in an economic program like let's say federal skill worker, then you do provide. If you were sponsored like spouse sponsorship, then that is not required. So suppose you have done yes English, suppose you took IELTS general training, then it asks the date. Let's say recently you have done it in last 4 years. So if you meet these standards, include a copy even if they are expired. So this is a doubt that a lot of people ask, that if their IELTS score is expired, can they still apply? Yes, they can. You can see it right over here. Now if you change something a bit, let's say academic, then what happens? Only general training for citizenship application. And PLP if you have gone, again it has given the dates. So based on the examination it shows the dates. And if you select French, they have many options. Wow. Okay. All DEF test results, date. So from here you can get the idea. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.